up there, then I'm gonna come down.
Oh, that's kind of silly. Why don't you go down the driveway?
Yeah, because it's behind me.
Oh, Wyatt. Ready? Which way are you going?
It's right.
Oh, you don't want to go down that way. Go down the driveway.
Yeah, because
Oh, Wyatt. Oh. You're going to run into the stump.
what's down?
Right there.
Where?
Right there in front of you.
Where?
Right there on the ground.
Right there?
No, right here. Right there. There's a stump.
Right
Yes, right there.
No. I won't run in it.
Oh, why? Ah!
Ah! I got it.
Hey, Wyatt.
I'm going down this way.
Okay, go down that way. Oh!